I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask in Treasure Fund. We'll go through the general steps for linking your MetaMask wallet to a decentralized application. It is crucial to understand the security considerations before you proceed with any connection. Always verify the legitimacy of any platform to protect your valuable digital assets. This guide will help you navigate the process with caution and awareness. First, let's ensure your MetaMask wallet is properly set up. Download and install the official MetaMask extension for your browser or the mobile app. You will then create a new wallet or import an existing one using your unique 12-word secret recovery phrase. Remember, this phrase is your master key, so store it securely offline. Finally, fund your wallet with a small amount of cryptocurrency, such as BNB, to cover any potential transaction fees. Now, let's connect to Treasure Fund. Open your MetaMask-enabled browser and go to the official Treasure Fund website. Look for a Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner. Click it and select MetaMask from the options presented. A pop-up will appear from MetaMask asking for your approval. It is vital to carefully review all details of this request before clicking Approve to ensure you understand what permissions you are granting. Once connected, always verify that your wallet address is correctly displayed on Treasure Fund. Be extremely cautious of any prompts asking for your secret recovery phrase or private keys, as legitimate platforms will never ask for these. Never approve transactions that grant unlimited access to your funds. If anything seems suspicious or unclear, immediately disconnect your MetaMask wallet and conduct thorough independent research before proceeding. Your security is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.